There is something common between some of you and me. We tend to have this barrier in our heads. Even though there is no real barrier between where we are and where we want to reach, we continue building up in our heads. Let me share with you a research done by a marine biologist. This biologist placed a very big shark inside a large tank, and post that he put some small bait fishes inside the same tank. As expected, the shark immediately came and attacked all the small bait fishes and ate all of them. Now in the second experiment, the same marine biologist now placed a very thick crystal clear fiberglass inside this large tank, creating two partitions. Now at the one side, he put the shark, and the other side, a new set of small bait fishes. As expected, the shark swam and started attacking. However, this time, he slammed onto the fiberglass and bounced back. He started continuing attacking on these fiberglass. After a few unsuccessful attempts, he stopped attacking. This was continued over a few minutes, then over an hour, until finally he gave up. This same experiment was continued for following few weeks. Every passing day, the shark was less aggressive, until one day he completely stopped attacking. He started believing that there is some barrier between these small bait fishes and him. When he stopped attacking, the marine biologist removed this fiberglass, only to see the small bait fishes were swimming around the large tank unharmed. Why? Yes, you guessed it right. The shark believed that there's a barrier between him and the small bait fishes. This is what exactly happens with all of us. After few unsuccessful attempts, after few failures in our life, we emotionally give up. We stop attacking. We create this mental barrier in our heads. Let us try to remove this barrier and start attacking once more. Only after a few successful attempts, we'll be able to say that this barrier has gone completely. I have started removing this barrier from my head. Have you? Try once more.